Hi there, it's Roy Breton here. Hope you're doing well. In this video I just want to show you how to schedule a YouTube video. This can be a useful feature sometimes, for example if you're having perhaps a day where you want to make a load of videos and upload them but you don't want to publish them all at once, or perhaps you're going away and you just want to sort of publish them for a certain date. So let's go to, I'm on YouTube now, so let's go to the create button, upload a video. Let's see, I've got it here somewhere I think. Yes, I'm going to drag it across here. So that's going now. Turn dragon off. That's it. I use something called Dragon Naturally Speaking and I've left it on, so it started to write. So I'm going to do this bit in a minute because here's so the title's in here. Are you living in fear? This is the description goes here. I'll add a thumbnail later for the sake of this video. I will add it to a playlist: Christian devotionals and inspirationals. No, it's not made for kids, just to keep YouTube happy. More options, put tags, that's right, Christian devotional. I will add some more later. Okay, right, so then we go to next. I'm not going to add any end screens at the moment or cards, so we're going to go to next. Going to make it the video public. Then I'm going to click schedule, which is here. So today's the 24th today, so I'm going to schedule it for the 25th of August. So I'm going to schedule it for when I get up, which is normally 5 AM. Schedule it from there. And then we're going to schedule that, so click on schedule, see what happens. Your video will be set to be public on the 25th of August at 5 AM, which is great. So that's it. Hope that helps. Please feel free to leave a comment, and I'm here to help if you've got any questions. Thanks very much for watching.